Hi all. So today we will see what is Power BI, what is the advantages of Power BI and why we use Power BI. Okay. So Power BI is actually a business intelligence tool which is used to analyze the data, clean your data and convert the data into a visual format. Okay. And also you can create different reports and dashboards in Power BI. Okay, actually, this Power BI is contains many components. These are the components. First one is the Power Query. Power Query is actually an ETL tool, that is extract transformation load. It will clean the data for the visualization. This Power Query will clean the data for the visualization. And the next one is the Power Pivot. Power Pivot is mainly used for data modeling. That means when you have multiple data sources, if you want to connect them, create relationship between them, you can use this Power Pivot. Okay, when there is a multiple data source means when you want to create a relationship, okay, you can use this Power Pivot. That is Power Query and Power Pivot. Next one is Power View. Power View can help you to create actually 250 plus charts, okay, like bar chart, donut chart. These different types of charts will be useful for your presentation, for reports and dashboards. Okay, after you have created all these reports, you can all this cleaning, that means after you have did all the cleaning for visualization, if you want this to share to other people across the world, you can use this Power BI service. Okay, Power BI service will help the users to communicate with each other via these reports. Okay, so you all understood this components of Power BI, right? So next we will see why we use this Power BI. We will see some reasons why we are using Power BI. Okay, actually there is a website in Google called Google Trends, which will help you to find out the interest of people over this time on Power BI. Okay, you can see that compared to other tools, Power BI, the graph of Power BI is high. Okay, so if you're comparing with any other tool, most of the people search for this Power BI. Okay, that is maximum. First one is maximum features. If you compare with other tools, Power BI is having the maximum number of features. You can write that is 1200 M functions and also DAX functions. You can create approximately 280 visuals in Power BI. Okay, that is the first reason people are using Power BI. The next one is the cost of Power BI. Power BI is actually the cheapest tool. That actually it is having only $10 per user per month. Okay, if you purchase bulk for many users, the license cost also will be very low. Okay, the third one is the data connectivity. Data connectivity means Power BI can import from hundreds of data sources like Excel, Hadoop, etc. Okay, you can pull data from structured or unstructured or semi-structured data. Okay, so data connectivity is also where you can take data from many data sources. That is also one of the main reason people are using. Okay, and next we'll see how Power BI works. Okay, there is actually Power BI desktop and Power BI service. Okay, Power BI desktop is a developer's tool. Okay, you can create reports out of this. Okay, and it is easy to download also. Okay, Power BI service is an online version. Okay, it is a cloud version which you can share to other people, and you can sharing and collaboration will be done in this Power BI service. Okay, you can take data from Excel, CSV, SQL, and also SharePoint, PDF, website, Outlook, and many other sources. Okay, in this Power BI desktop. After that, you can clean the data and do the data modeling and create the charts out of this. Okay, after creating the report, you can publish this report to Power BI service. After all the things which you have created, that is after creating the reports in Power BI desktop, you can publish this reports to Power BI services. After publishing, you can share this to different persons or different departments or organization or on a particular individual. Okay. The best part is that of Power BI is that the Power BI is completely automated. No need to do anything manual in Power BI. So hope you all understood what is Power BI, what are the advantages of Power BI, and why we use Power BI. So see you on next video. Thank you.